Alright guys, Frank for 50 Sports. I am back with the last break of the evening, which is a double box break of SP Authentic 1113. So there we go. So as usual, I'll open the full box completely right away. I want to verify something. Remember guys, when I did the case break, the patch were always at the same place. So let's see if we're going to get a patch. I want to test my theory. This pack would have been a patch. So no patch in this box if my theory is right. Oh. Nice. But the autograph was at the place where the patch was. This should be the last autograph in this pack. Seeing the mess. Alright, we have a Future Watch of Nikolai Goldobin. We have a Legends of Joe Sakic. We have a Young Gun of Yoenis Korpisalo. We have a Retro of David Pasternak. We have a Legends of Glenn Hall. We have a Global Choreography of Zemgus Gensons. We have a Dylan Larkin Premier Prospect. We have a 10th moment of Alex Ovechkin. We have an all-time moment of Wayne Gretzky. We have a retro of Jonathan Toews. We have a Legends of Bill Guerin. We have a Jared Stoll UD update. We have a retro of Wayne Gretzky. We have all-time moments of Thierry Fleury. We have a Dion Phaneuf update. We have a Legends of Felix Potvin. We have a Future Watch of Louis Domingue. We have an all-time moment of Bobby Orr. We have a Young Gun of Joseph Blandisi. And we have a Future Watch number to 999. I think it's the third one I pull like that. Ale Habs. Inscription, Zachary Focale. So nice hit. All right. In this pack. Should be an autograph in this pack. No. All right. All right. Throw those in the garbage. Second box, we have a retro of Alex Ovechkin. We have a Legends of Al Macinus. We have a Sign of the Times rookie, 85 out of 299 for the Montreal Habs, Michael McCarron. So nice break for the Habs. We have a premier prospect of Nick Ritchie. We have an all-time moment of Guy Lafleur. We have a Legends of Terran Fleury. We have a Legends of Lanny McDonald. The Statch. Met him, he was a great guy. Michael Butker. UD update. We have a Taylor Hall retro. We have a 10-tick moment of Jamie Benn. We have a UD update of Ryan Ellis. We have a Vincent Lecavalier UD update. We have a future watch of Phil DiGiuseppe. I'll keep that one for the last. A 10-tick moment of Jonathan Toews. We have a future watch of Josh Anderson. We have a Legends of Curtis Joseph. We have a Young Gun of Jordan Wheel. We have a premier prospect of Jaron McCann. By the way, guys, don't miss our case break on Sunday. It's going to be the last case. A 10-tick moment, John Tavares. And the last hit is a Sign of the Times for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. So there you go. This is all for tonight. Thanks, guys, for joining us. I will see you on Sunday with SPA. See you guys.